Serial witness on an aggravated battery.
No! 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 Flat out now. She hums, she hits that road. Tell me if any cars come behind me, mate, this way. So this is just stock pinion. I need to get a GPS, but this is stock pinion. Just 6 cell, flat out. Little beast. Whoa! See that? That road's just not smooth enough, it lost it. I reckon that AVC was kicked in then and helped it. That was crazy. Oh, the road's a bit rough. I must pull
Dad,
them
can you
on.
please open this?
Open what?
Please.
Oh yeah, of course I can. Oh, it's hard. There you go. This road's a bit rough. I need to find a smooth road. Wonder what this one's like. God, it's a rough road. This one's good, but it's a lot more traffic. Tell me if any cars come behind me.
No.
That's sick. No cars? Whoa! Hit that little cat's eye on the road. Could have been a disaster. Watch out. I think one of those front screws has come out a little bit and it's dragging when I brake. What a beast. Lovely. Loved it, mate. I'm trying to drift this corner. Watch out, mate. Start the road. I've actually lost a bit of punch in the battery, but watch out, I'm gonna drift back this way. Oh, what a beast. time to go home, baby. Oh, this is sick. Look, I slid on the roof and it did nothing. Not one scratch on the body. I freaking love this car. I love it. I just don't want to smoke up the tyres yet because I want them to last. I need to get myself another set when they're available and smoke it up. Yeah, see that front screw must have just been digging into that, and that one. Either when I stacked or digging into the harsh road, and I've just pulled out a little bit. But F me, that was fun. Hey? Oh, mate, don't bring it here, don't spray me. Alright, boys. Look at that, no carnage at all. Oh, I forgot to put the Gorilla Tape on the guards. Forgot to put the Gorilla Tape here. That's all good though. It was sick fun, mate. I'm just losing a bit of grunt in these batteries, or else I'd keep going, but I've got to get these kids home anyway. That is seriously sick fun. Little beast. Oh yeah! Look at this. How cool is that? Alright, we better go, mate. It's getting late. Oh, this is gross. Mate. It's just so much fun, mate. This is my new, eh?
But it ends really bad.
No, it ends good. Nothing broken, not even a mark where I stacked into that gutter, mate. Not even a scratch. Except for the little hoons on my tyres, but they're getting close anyway. Gee, I'm putting the 27 in, I'm putting the 27 in this beast. It needs it badly. Let's go, mate. What are you doing making that mess? Come on, get in the car, let's go. That was sick, did you see that? Oh, did you see that? That was sick. Alright, come on.
I thought it was a car crashing. From here it sounded like a car.
It was a car crashing, it was the infraction crashing.
What?
Toodaloo, boys. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Kev Deez